Janlu, okay, all right. Okay, so today we will be doing on prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are very easy. Okay. Prime numbers are very easy. Okay, yesterday when we learned in 1.1, what are the kind of different types of numbers? We had prime numbers. So what was the definition? Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by itself or 1. Okay, example, okay, is 3. If you realize 3 can only divide by 3 and 3 can only divide by 1, so that you can get a whole number. Correct? Or, okay, prime numbers are numbers that can be only divided by itself and 1, and it cannot have any other factor. Okay? Okay? So you see here, 3 can be divided itself and only 1. So which is 3 and 1. Okay? But if now you say 4, okay? 4 can be divided by 4. 4 can be divided by 1. But 4 can be also divided by 2. So when there's another factor coming in here, 4 is not a prime number. Okay? Another example, 15. Okay? 15, to get 15, what you can do? Yes, 15 times 1. Okay, 1 times 15. Okay, what else? 3 times 5. So basically, if you realize here, there's 2 other factors also that is coming in for this 15. Therefore, 15 is not a prime number. Okay, another example, 17. What times what you get 17? Other? There's nothing, right? So basically we have only 1 and 17, which is this is itself and this is 1. Which is this. So 17 is a prime number. Clear? Okay. So now list down prime numbers. Okay, this is your homework. Now, I mean not homework now. Okay, and also one more pointer. Okay, prime number starts from 2. Okay, which means that 0 and 1 not prime number. Okay, 1 can be a factor but not a prime number. Clear? Okay, copy this down. Yeah, you know how to copy again. Where's the book? Where? 7, 8, 9. Copy. Wash it. You nicely go have breakfast and come. Okay. I'm not going to to my class and see. Don't lie to me, I will ask Mr. Ken straight, huh? You want to see? Tell me straight directly. Simply go makan and come. Not what? I don't know, is it? No, don't need to lie. Okay. Can see, no, you cannot see. Wait. Let's see. So tomorrow I'll collect your books for marking, I mean all the papers. Okay, so what you do, you staple everything together. Together with the notes, okay, together with the notes. So you will know which is the first page, second page. Okay, so you staple everything together. Okay, stapler if you all don't have, I will provide stapler. No worries on that. Okay, because you all will give me reason, no stapler, this and that. So I know about y'all.
Oh.
Forgot already, is it? Cannot speak Chinese in my class?
And that word.
Oh. He's gonna pay 5 ringgit now. Go eat breakfast, right? Pay.
Hey, but really, teacher.
Then you don't have to lie to me. I also coming from the same Bukit Tinggi.
You ask? You ask him.
He's not gonna lie. Then now you only gonna be good. See? See? Done. Done and dusted. Done. That's it. Done. Done. You are done. Breakfast. No more breakfast after this. 8:30. I'll have to see you here.
8:30.
8:30 come here. 10 minutes not enough for the bed. Money. What? Bed is mandi, right? No, you mandi 50 minutes, is it? Yeah, look, also like no mandi, so no difference. Hey, cut your hair, lah. You see, falling up to your eyes today. Okay, done copying. Yanlu, I will send in a while, okay, together after the prime factors. Done?
Yeah, to list down.
Yeah, list down. 0 to 100. My grandmother will come to you, is it?
If you jump down, people say you listen.
Breakfast. Someone can lie. Oh, I went and see Mr. Cat. Oh, okay. Okay, list down the prime numbers between 0 to 100. I will mark that, okay? I'm not going to discuss the answer on that because we have already done that in 7, 8, and 9. I'll give you 2 more minutes, complete up. Lock up home, sit down. What? You want to borrow? What do you want? No, you didn't know. Then how come you're in answer 01? Okay, I should talk to Mr. Kendall about this. Go back with Nicholas. Go back with Nicholas. Then you are here, he's still there. Laugh some more, laugh. Like your brother, no difference. You cut your hair out. Cut like Gary. Otak.
Long time ago,
He working
no, he's sleeping.
now
Really, because he work time is work timing is 4 p.m. to 1 a.m.
Yeah lah.
1 a.m.
Then how he comes back? Drag
No,
Working
Huh?
working by leg.
his captain drive there.
Oh, I thought bicycle.
Come back.
Bicycle.
No.
Buy for him bicycle lah. At least can do something a bit.
House
Right?
also have one.
Bicycle lah.
Huh? House also have already one.
Have what?
Bicycle.
Ah, so we ride and go lah.
So far,
Never mind lah. Exercise what?
1 a.m. go back home really what they really done it.
Yeah lah.
Not safety. Nothing can.
No one is gonna. No one is gonna.
Yo,
No one is
your brother
gonna.
so big.
No one is going to, yeah, exactly. No one is going to kidnap him. No. He's down, is he not? Okay. So now we are going to go into prime factors. Prime factors is your prime factorization. Okay. When you know about when you hear about prime factors, it means the prime factorization, the 3 that we do. Okay, this one we have done before, right? In pre-IG 02. Okay. Now example, they say find the prime factor of 60. So you can see okay. Find the prime factors of 60. So you put your 60 here. Okay. Then you open up like this, like a 3. Yes. So what times what you get 60, but one of the number should be a prime number. Let's start with 2 first. So 2 times 30. Okay, so 2 is the least prime number, right? So there's nothing less than that. So this one we just leave it as such. Now this 30 you break down. 2 first. 2 times 15. Always start with 2 if you can divide the number with 2, you start with 2. 15. So what times what? You can get 15. It's 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. So 3, 5. So basically all these are prime numbers already, correct? So 3 also you cannot divide further. 5 also you cannot divide further because it's already prime number. So your answer will be, so you take up all the numbers. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. This will be your answer. This is the answer. No need to count. Prime factorization, you don't have to count. You just have to write like this. Or you can write 2 square times 3 times 5. Okay? Clear? Okay, let's do another example. Let's say 24. Okay? So 24 to 12. 2, 6, 2, 3. So your answer will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 or 2 cube times 3 because 1, 2, 3 must be 3 times. Okay? Clear? Copy down. Oh. Okay, Yando, I will send a picture now. I will send you the picture, Yando, now. Okay. So this is prime factors, prime numbers and prime factorization. So when it comes, if they ask you to do the prime factors, the first thing that you should remember is this 3. Okay, we call this as prime factorization 3. Okay, so you have to do it this way. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So what else? Okay, basically that's all for prime numbers. Okay, so now we will move on to square. What up? Square roots, I think. Okay, so now will be. Okay, one more. Finding HCF using prime factors to find HCF and LCM. So we will be doing that first. Okay, so we'll do that part. Okay. Done. One sec. boleh faham. Understand? Belum kan? Kan? Okay, so now we are going to do using prime factors to find LCM and HCF. The previous one that we have done is just finding the LCM and HCF, but for that we use 4, 6 and all that, right? Like we don't use specially like the prime factors, but for LCMs, like now, example, find the LCM between 12 and 18. Example, okay? So you do 12, 18. So you start with 6, 9, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay? So 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So this will be the answer. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Finally, you have to write the final answer. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 3 is no. But this one, these numbers here, it should be prime numbers. That's the most important thing. Okay. So another one, 6 here, this is LCM. 6 here, 12, 18, 2, 6, 9, 3, 2, 3. So stop. Correct? Because it is here. So the answer is 2 times 3, 6. Actually, the normal one, you can directly put 6 here. 6 and you can find the answers. But since this is prime factors, we use it, we do it only with prime numbers. Clear? Okay, you copy down this and then we will move on to powers and roots. Okay, we will move on to powers and roots. So powers and roots, I'll go very fast, because that's the easiest of everything. Who asked me that question? Just because you all are very master, done, Alishan. Nana. Nana.
Yeah.
Okay. So now powers and roots. Okay. Powers and roots are very, very easy. Powers means, what are powers? Powers means you are adding a power to a number and making it, if it's example 2 to the power of 2, you are doubling the number. If it's 3, you're making it 3 times. If it's 4, you're making it 4 times. So basically powers, you give power to the number. Okay. So now you have basically previously in year 7, year 8, year 9, we have learned squares and cubes, correct? But in IG01, you will have to the power of 5, to the power of 8, to the power of 12, you will have a lot of powers here, okay? So now 2 square. This is actually 2 square lah. Okay. 2 cube. Okay. 2 to the what you say? 2 to the power of 4. It's 225. 2. Okay. So when it comes like this kind of scenario, okay, it means that 2 times 2, right? 2 to the 2 square means 2 times 2. 2 cube means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the power of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this one, if it's 25, okay. So it's actually 25 times of that number. Okay. Actually, you can use your calculator to find out the answer. You don't have to write down up to here. Okay. If it's actually 1 mark question, if it's actually 1 mark question, you don't have to give me working. If it's a 2 mark question, then you give me working. Okay. Like this is yes. Yes. It's not going to ask you to do the power of 100 lah. Okay. So another one, 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay. Always remember, anything that is power to 0, 0 is 1. Even if 100 to the power of 0, what? Anything to the power of 1 is that particular number. Huh? Okay. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 1 is that particular number itself. 100 to the power of 1 is 100 lah, because it's only 100. 1 times only that 100 number. Okay. So you are clear for powers. That is power. Okay. And you know you have your calculator. You can directly calculate the answer. Okay. You see here. In calculator. Okay. If it's 2 to the power of 2, or whatsoever, I'll just say. Okay. 4 to the power of 2. Okay, in your calculator. Okay, in your calculator, you press 4 and then you press x2. Then you'll get your answer. Put equals, you'll find the answer, correct? Okay, but if you have 4 to the power of 70, okay, use your calculator for, okay, like this. 70. 17 or you and equals. Clear? You can see here you have a symbol like that. Okay? The symbol here. Okay? The symbol here. Okay, you have the symbol there. What up? Where's your calculator? Tomorrow everyone bring your calculator.
Standard form.
That is in standard form. You want to change, go to normal.
Đưa ra mình một người.
No,
You
so
also
one
are
to the
quite
power 10.
one.
Theo như
It's 9, it's 9, 10.
Thay vì đi mà
Okay. Hey, you all want to buy calculator? Buy in Shopee. Like that only 20 ringgit. I buy in Shopee, say 120 ringgit. You buy in Popular, right? I buy 20 ringgit only. If you want to get calculator, don't use this calculator. Because this is sometimes it's not accurate. Okay, if you get your calculator from DIY, please do not use that. I mean, you can, but to avoid any mistake or whatsoever. Okay, this calculator you can just search for. You can just search for Shopee. In Shopee, you just search for calculator 570. Then you get yes. Calculator 570, you can get easy right to your house. God, Lazada also got, Shopee also got. Lazada 2 ringgit Shopee, Lazada 2 ringgit Shopee 4 ringgit. You want any information? Any other things that you want to know? Okay, so you are clear with this. Now we are moving on to square roots. Hello. Okay. Square roots. So when it comes to square root, you know what is square roots?
No English.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. The square root is where the number that was multiplied by itself okay, so square root of 25 is yeah, this is cube root. Okay, it is 2. Okay, 5 1 2 5. How to do this? Okay, this one all you all know how to do, right? Okay, this one square root easiest way is just use your calculator. Don't need to do so much. Okay, so for this, okay, this is called this one. Okay, this is for the first one. Okay, shift. Okay, shift for this one we use shift and then square root of the one got 3 cube root there and then press 8 and then equal, you'll get the answer. For this, okay, for this one, okay, shift of I changed the okay, shift the third one shift and then this one X. Can you see above of this symbol you will have X. Can you see? So and then you press 1 to 5. 1 5 equal. Okay, so you will get the answer. What's the answer? Oh no, sheep. Sorry. Sheep. And then whatever number is here, listen first. Whatever number is here, you press here 5.
Wow.
And then you press this one. Okay?
And then
So
the middle one.
this one.
Shift 3 and then.
Yeah, shift 3. Memang got already what? 3 here.
Why was that?
Yes.
Why shift?
Oh.
Mình là bớt.
Aiyo.
Okay.
Okay? So this one I repeat again now for square roots. The square root is where the number that was multiplied by itself to get a square number. And this one is the normal square root. This is the normal cube root that you have done in year 7, 8, 9. Only this one will be a new one for you. Okay, when you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 7, 8, whatsoever, shift, you press the number, this root here first, 5, and then press this one. You can see in the calculator is on top of this. Okay, and then 1 to 5 equals, then you will get the answer. Okay, Yan Lu can see. Okay, see here got, see, this is the one. So above this, so you have to press shift and then you press 5. No, you press, you press 5 first. Wait. Okay, guys, no, you press 5 first, huh? You press 5 and then shift. Okay, you press your number first, whatever number is here. Okay, and then you press 5, you press shift, you press this one. Okay, this one here, and then you press 1 to 5. You'll get the answer 2.627. Okay, sorry, I write here, no, not enough space. Okay, so that will be your answer. Okay, here.
Yeah.
Okay. Listen up. Anyone don't know how to use the calculator? Let me know. Huh? 5. Shift, and then here. Okay, then 1 to 5. Then you get it. Okay.
Chưa con tới rồi ạ.
Press 5. Can you see down there? 5. Shift.
Let's go.
This one.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Party.
Okay, wait, I will do it. Okay, need one copy, huh?
Chỉ bảo ôi chơi chơi cứ hay xíu xíu thôi có lời cơ mà
Bây giờ đi đi cơ.
你老师都上在厕所，因为你昨天就从那请儿呗，你这个看这个我的发现了，哦，对呀，对，对呀，对呀，花就嘛。
完了，我就看到那个纸花，就是花那个路牌上面，第一个，
他是讲什么？种什么比较久的？
Okay.
哇，现在都有菜。
So tomorrow we will do 1.5 and 1.6 and 7. Wow, so fast and finish.
说2。
Because we have when we have. Okay. So. Okay, so your homework,
Mulai lah.
exercise 1.7, page 7.
Did you ask it again? No, I was practicing.
1.7, question 1, question 5, exercise 1.8, question 1, 1.9.
Oh lah.
So,
Apa
who
naik?
asking the question?
Kali.
1.9, question 1, and question 2.
No more ya. No more ya.
So, us. Okay, 11.1.
1/11 lah.
1.11.
1 A 1A 2A 4A 1 and 4
Number 7.
Wah, ini 7. Wah.
And number 1. 1.11, number 1 and 7.
Okay, can finish.
One more.
No.
Mas. Hey. Don't never ask, sir, we have forget. Don't ask, right? Next time you never ask and do, sir, ask why you never ask and do.
两米种起笑啊，
啊，
起笑，
还有，
是吧？那个小调走来了，在一起玩到一个3秒了。所以我想说，我是不懂你们要后悔怎么好的，后悔干好。我们后悔来讲真的也没有得到什么好处啊，后悔怎么样？来，知道吧？
有花了一个，如果这个就是。那个什么白。